see, we are going to demonstrate the following list of items. And let's start voice match first. Now, and I will show how to pan and zoom the screen. It is really simple. To pan the map, you just use a single finger to tap on the map, and you drag it, and you will see the map will be moved along with your fingers. To zoom the map, you may use one of the following ways. First, you may use pinch to zoom. That is, use your two fingers to squeeze on the map, and then you zoom out. To zoom in, you just like this, enlarge it. And you may also zoom in using the bottom right hand corner zoom panel. Zoom out and zoom in. And you may also zoom in through the double tap gesture. And double tap on the map, and you will zoom in by one level. And when you have arrived to the maximum zoom level, we will prompt an alert messages. There is no more zoom levels. Okay. And I will show the center button. The center button is located at the bottom right hand corner, and when you press on it, and the map will center to your current location. And then I will demonstrate the map mode features. You can select on the main menu, and you choose the map mode, and you may switch on satellite view, and then you can see the map turns to satellite view. To restore it to normal, we can just choose better map mode, and then we clear the map, and you will restore to normal view. And let's demonstrate about the location retrieval features. To retrieve a location, it is simple. You may just single pass on a spot, and then we wait for the loading of the geocoding request, and just wait for a little more. Okay, as you can see, the address is shown in form of the bubble mark. And when you single tap on the bubble marker, and the pronunciation dial will be popped out, and you select one of the three languages. I choose Cantonese this time. And you can hear the Cantonese pronunciation. And when I choose the 普通话, and when I choose the English,
457 Kuitong Road, Kuitong.
And that's the pronunciation features. We may also long pass on the bubble and select from the list of items, and let's demo the strategy space features. And when you choose strategy space, a list of programs will be popped out. And for example, we choose Gmail, and we pass the address to the title and the message content. And when we pass back, we will return to the voicemail. And let's show the history features. To view your previous history, you just choose the history item from the main menu, and you can see the Kuntong you have just navigated before, and we long pass on it, and you can also choose the basic pronunciation, and you can also view the saved map. This is a screen capture that is already saved when you navigate this place before. And we will also delete this history, and it will say the record has been deleted. And I will demo the search function. To initiate search, we can choose from the main menu, And I input the search keyword through the search suggestion. For example, I choose history. And we wait for the request, and then you can see a list of results, and you select one of them, and then you will be redirected to that location. And you single tap on it, the pronunciation dialog will pop out, and you long press on it, and you can search it through Google. And then we will pass the address to the as the search parameter of Google. And I will demonstrate about the preference settings features. You can choose for the main menu and choose settings. And you can switch between different languages. For example, I switch to traditional Chinese. And as you can see, the menu items, the items are all changed to traditional Chinese. And also the menu text. You can easily switch back to the default settings, default languages, and we will also hide the status bar. We will also show the compasses, or we hear the search suggestions or those history and caches. And I will talk about the attraction overlays. To view the attraction overlay, we can choose from the menu, and then we choose attractions, and we select all of the categories, and then a bunch of markers will be brought out, and we single tap on any existing one, for example, Ocean Park, and single press on it, and the same pronunciation dialog will pop out, and then we long press on it. We choose the view page details, and then we will open the browser to the tourist sharing board, and we can read the details, the photos, and the address, and we will try the web version of pronunciation, as you can hear the Cantonese pronunciation of Ocean Park. Okay. We may press the back key to return to the voice maps.